Okay, so I want to show the work I have done. So this is my line of code. The name of my project is Constechz Basic Calculator. I First of all, I want immediately the application is launched, console should write a new line that you are welcome to Constechz Basic Calculator. I declare my variables. Then I use the number one as double because I was of the view that my users may use this decimal. Yeah, I was making room for decimals. Okay, so I deem the second number as double, and then the result as double, and then the operation as char. Okay, these are the data declaration I've done. So I also want to get input for users. So I say console.write new line, enter your first number. Then from my research, I realized that whatever the user enters is being considered as a string. So I said that number one should be converted to double. So that's why I say I should read down code. Then I also write that console should print the it should ask the user to enter the second number, and then from there it should also convert it to double. Then from there I also ask the user to enter the operations. So I even specify the operations: addition, multiply, subtraction, multiplication, and then um, division. Okay, so I also convert it to uh, character. Okay, so that the system, the input made about the user will be considered as a string. To prevent that, I also change it to a char. So we convert the first character of a specified string to a Unicode character. So from there, I use the select case operation. So the first case is addition. So the result should be no, the first number plus the second number, and I say console should write it, okay, with the result, okay, with the result. Okay, so the same thing has been applied to the manual sign, division sign. So now my conditions, which is called the control system. So I also say that if the second number is equal to zero, then console write new line display it to the user that error division by zero, don't divide by zero. Okay, so if a user divide by zero, I don't want that. So I write that I ask it to display that. Then else, so the if will count, the if will end with end if. It's like this is more or less like what I've been doing in the VBA. So I just applied with some Python transfer of knowledge. So as you can see, so that's all. So let me run the code for you to see. So as you have taught me, I'll go to build and go to build solution, and I'll practice for all the four operations. Then I'll go to debug and then start debugging. So you are welcome to Constechz Basic Calculator. Enter your first number. So I'll write 100 and I'll press enter. Then the second number is 12. and I'll press enter, and you ask me to use. So I'll use the first operation plus. So I'll press enter. So it gives me the calculation to be uh, this. Okay, so it means my result is correct. uh, it's supposed to only display the result, but I don't know. I added this to it to display the what the user have entered here, and this should give us the result. So I'll decide to press any key. I'll do that again. So I'll go to project, no build solution, then debug, start debugging. So yeah, I want to see if uh, I'll get a negative value. I want to do that. See, so I'll do division. I'll do surprise. So two. The first number is 2, and the second number is 20. So I'll use the second sign, which is this. I'm supposed to get negative 18. Let me see how it will give me. So correct. The system has picked that. So it's correct. I'll press this one key. I'll go to build. Go to build solution. Then go to debug, and then start debugging. I'll go for the second, the third operation quickly. Um, Machine is very slow. Verse 5. Then I'll say 6. So I'm supposed to get 30, right? So give me if that's correct. So the third, the last one, build solution, and the debug, start debugging. So I'll say 5:45, and I'll say 3. I know I'll get a decimal. So it's okay. Okay, I didn't get that. Okay, it's true. True, go to 45 15 times. So that's correct. So the last one, which is if I didn't, I give a wrong symbol, which is not part of what I have stated in the operation. It's supposed to give me some feedback and error message. So let me try that one. So I intentionally will use any of the symbols. So I'll use add. So let me say 2, 2. I'll press the enter key. I'll say 5, and I'll use instead of me to use this, let me use this underscore and see what you haven't. So okay, my English is very wrong. You haven't entered the right operation. So I have to correct that. You haven't entered the right operation. So I'll save my work. So thank you very much. That's my project.